There was a man named Mark, and he had lived his life chasing every sin the world could offer. He lied, cheated, mocked God, and followed only his own selfish desires. Nothing could change him, until one day, everything did. He became seriously ill. Doctors examined him and said he had only a month to live. His money, his influence, his pride, nothing could save him. Desperate and broken, he wandered aimlessly until he met an old man singing a soft song. Your name is power. Your name is healing. Your name is life, sweet Jesus. The old man smiled at him and disappeared into the crowd. Something shattered inside the man. His heart, so long hardened, cracked open. He realized all this time he had been away from God, mocking him, ignoring him, living for himself. He fell to his knees and cried aloud, Lord, I know I am beyond forgiveness. I am not worthy to be called your child. I am nothing but ashes. My life has been my way, but now I surrender. Break me, remake me, do everything in me according to your will. That night, he dreamed of angels dancing on clouds, laughter echoing in the sky. Jesus smiled at him, and a single flower petal drifted down from heaven, landing softly on his chest. From that moment, everything changed. He began listening to God, talking to him in prayer, and walking in his ways. A year passed. His health was perfect. His mind was at peace. Friends and doctors were amazed. How is this possible? The doctor asked. The man smiled and simply walked away, softly singing. Your name is power. Your name is healing. Your name is life, sweet Jesus.